so we're now leaving our hotel in Benidorm and heading up to Bilbao to get the ferry. It's 748 kilometres.
Hello, Colin.
Off to get the ferry, is it?
Oh, we thought.
Where are we going?
Into town to pub.
Alright, that'll do.
Off Raven.
Right out over here.
Straight over the roundabout, isn't it?
We've got just over half a tank of fuel.
Why are we the only guy who just turned around and looked at us? Oh, it's over. Get your rolls out. Pick a number. Ahmed and Pedro, pick a lucky number. 3. Fuck that, it's Ram. Morning. Yeah, 3 of us.
Racing anywhere or?
Charity rally.
Charity rally down, well, started off in Dover, down to Benidorm, through France, yeah. Bet.
Is it like the Mongol rally or anything?
Yeah, we'd call it Benidorm or bus rally.
Alright.
Pretty similar. She's got to get us back to North Yorkshire now. Thank you very much. Cheers now. There you go, Sam. Thank you.
I think we're at, not yet, we're not free yet.
I look at them waiting for us.
Yeah, I know they are. You fucking watch, as soon as we fucking do it.
They're ready.
Yeah, look,
Yeah, of course they want.
Yeah, fucking straight away.
You could have bet on it.
Could have bet on it.
It's a hat trick. Hat trick. 3 out of 3.
Fucking hell.
Up to the corn. All right.
It's a hat trick. Every time, everywhere we've been, we've got pulled in.
Well, you stand there, didn't you?
Yeah, a little bit.
Have you got your, just before we start, mate, have you got your, oh, go, I like those.
Have you got the passport?
Yeah, yeah, no, no, need the logbook.
Alright.
Whose car is it?
Sam's there.
It's yours, okay, super. Well, so
I look at him
You've been
laughing.
in Spain or?
We drove from North Yorkshire to Benidorm,
Yeah,
Through
and then
France.
we've ended up back here.
okay.
Right through France, right
Oh,
through
okay, so
Spain.
you went out to France,
Yeah, from Dover to Cali,
okay.
And then
Orleans to Toulouse, Tarragona,
Benidorm, and then
Benidorm, and then to all the way from Benidorm, Benidorm to Bilbao.
And what's that for? What are you
Benidorm a bus charity fun run.
It is a charity.
It finishes at Benidorm.
So when did you guys start then?
last Tuesday.
Okay.
Oh, it's been a long time.
I want a bed and a shower.
Was it just the three of you doing this?
Well,
No, it was
200
200, just short of 200 cars did it.
What I'm getting at is, did you three all go out together?
Yes.
Okay, so all the bags and that in the vehicle
Everything else
Yeah.
all
is yours, and there's not anybody that's in another car that you've got
No.
a bag of anything like
No.
that? No. Okay. All right then. Hey, bring any cigarettes, alcohol?
I've got about 200, there's about 150 left.
Yeah, not a problem. Okay, oh, that's fine. Cheers.
Yeah,
Thank
no
you.
worries.
There's passports.
Oh, that one was easier than last time.
I thought that
Every
year, yeah.
We'll have to think of something new next year.
You have £500 your budget for your car.
Alright, so it's a different car every year?
You can use the same car, but what 90% of people at Benidorm just scrap the car and then get the claim. Well, it's done that good, so we can't let it go. So we might might sell it and give the funds to charity. It's like it all done, you know. Good for publicity, for business as well. Thank you. As soon as we said it was for charity, that was it. We kept dying.
We didn't see them on the sea. They've done the same as us then.
Yeah, which way?
I don't know. Look at that, grills and smokers. That's fucking mint, that, isn't it, Pete?
Oh shit, which side of the fucking road do we drive on now?
The middle lane.
Fucking hell. Right.
Fucking a foreigner. Yeah, good point. Same time, Jim.
Well, that's it. Pulling back up in first now. What's the mileage, Sam?
2,121.
2,121 miles we have covered. And as you can see, we are all extremely tired.
Like brand new!
Yeah, and we've made it. Can't believe we've done it. Fantastic. Welcome back first. We did it. Thanks for following us. Don't forget to please like, subscribe, and hit the icon bell button. Cheers. Bye now.